I'd like to show you my project, the Smart Geyser system. What it does is it allows you to access your geyser remotely. Um, by access, I mean you can read the temperature that the water in the geyser is at. You can switch on and off the geyser when you want to, and also set the temperature that you want the geyser to be. Um, Let me just give you a demonstration of how it works. Just turn it off quickly and turn it back on. Alright, it shows that the geyser is on, but its state is off right now, so I'm just going to send an SMS to it and turn it on. Right, as you can see, we have the temperature reading of the water in the geyser, which is averaging around 18 to 24 degrees. If you can hear it in the background, the element is on. Let me show you. Now, what that element is doing is heating up the water. So let's go back to the phone here, and what we can do is check the limits in which we set the temperature for the water to be. No, sorry for that, sent the wrong code. The code I was supposed to send is 5. So there's 4060 here, shows that our lower limit is 40, our higher limit is 60 degrees. That means that the geyser is trying to regulate the temperature between 40 degrees and 60 degrees. And that explains why it's on right now, because it's trying to raise the temperature to about 60 degrees. And then once it reaches 60, it will turn off until it hits 40 again. You could also set the temperature to something lower than 60 degrees. So just to show it, for example, here, since it's averaging around 30 degrees right now, we'll set it to maximum 30 degrees. And we'll set its minimum to 20 degrees. And that turned off the geyser, as you can see. The temperature is averaging around 35 degrees right now, and therefore the geyser is off currently. And yeah, so what this helps with is, let's say you're coming back from work or about to head back to work and you want to take a bath. As you get home, you could set it on, set your temperature if it hasn't already been set. And when you get home, the water will be warm enough to take a shower, or at least you can check the temperature when you get home, and it should be raised enough for a good shower. Maybe coming from the gym too, it helps out there. Or maybe you're on vacation and forgot whether you left your geyser on or off to save electricity, of course, and you can check whether it's on and off. As you can see, it was via SMS communication between the geyser and the user. And you could turn it off if it is already on. And yeah, That's my project. I'm glad to share it with you.